Here's a way that you can create squares and diamonds using the Drawing Assist tool. First, we're going to activate the Drawing Assist by going to the wrench, and under Canvas, we'll hit Drawing Guide, turn it on, and then edit the drawing guide, choose Symmetry and Options, and we want to choose the Quadrant Grid Guide, and as well turning on the Rotational Symmetry. Now hit Done, and we're going to go choose a brush. I recommend going to the Calligraphy brush set and monoline for an even brush. So now what we want to do is draw a line starting from the beginning of one of these quadrant lines as close as possible, straight, and hold, and it'll turn into a straight line. Now we want to drag until it reaches the middle line. After we let go, we're going to click on the Edit Shape and zoom in to make sure it is right on the line. Over here, it doesn't really matter where. Click on the line like this, and go down to the other side, and then match it up. Right on the line like that. And now we have a diamond. To make it into a square, we'll go to the Transform tool and click Rotate 45 degrees. And here we are. There's a square. This technique to make more interesting shapes to your squares and diamonds as well. So let us make a new layer, turn on Drawing Assist for that one, and we can hide the first layer. We'll choose a different brush, so let's say the Kunyani, also in the Calligraphy set, and we'll do the same thing. We'll draw a line across, we will turn on, go to our layer, draw a line, and down, okay. Make sure it's about close to the grid lines and move along. Now in this case, you see how it's extending beyond. So the way to fix that is we're going to go choose our eraser brush, go to and airbrushing the hard brush, and make it large. And while we still have Drawing Assist on, we're going to draw a line, okay. Now we can add the shape for this as well, and move it so that is creating a straight line like this, and then repeat for the next side. Erase, edit shape, now we have our diamond with a more textured pattern, and we can turn that into a square again by going to Transform tool and clicking Rotate 45 degrees.